Hey guys, how's it going? Cash, your President CEO of Cash International Luxury Real Estate. Guys, I want to show you a special unit. I'm walking through with some clients right now, but I want to go ahead and show you guys as well. Where am I standing? I'm standing here right at the majestic Bonita Golf, right here inside the amazing Cap Cana. Guys, this project, have a look at the golf course, guys. If you've invested here, have a look at what's going on. That's hole number 7. Look at how beautiful it's looking. It's going to curve all the way around this building. Guys, what I want you to see here is the top, okay, the best unit in the entire project, Bonita Golf. We're going to start delivery here April, May, June of next year. So this is going to be yours quick. This is the best unit in Bonita Golf, potentially the best penthouse in Cap Cana. All right, definitely the largest, guys. You're looking at 8,300 square feet, almost 8,300 square feet. Private pool. Let's go ahead. I'm going to take you for a walk. Let's do it. Way over here, guys, they're flying. Look at this thing. This is unbelievable. Eastward facing. Have a look at these views, eh? Unbelievable. I'm going to show you these views right now. Full construction site. This is going to be 8,300 square feet. Private pool. We're getting the full tour right now. Look at these views that you got here. Wow. Ocean views. Right here. Juanillo Beach on the other side of that building. Nothing but greenery. We're going to the outdoor patio space now. Just unbelievable. Wow. Outdoor patio right here.
Now, is it rooftop access too, or nothing on the roof?
No, nothing on the roof.
So what is this right here? This is outdoor space?
This is outdoor space.
With the pool?
This is the pool, and that is outdoor space, but open.
How deep is the pool?
Wait, sorry. What?
It's gonna be up to here.
Okay.
Wait, so this is pool. This is outdoor space here? This is outdoor space?
This is an outdoor
wow,
space.
Outdoor terrace covered.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So this
like
is,
a lanai.
here's the apartment.
All wide open, but in the middle you're gonna have a side door.
Oh, the rope, so you can open the whole thing.
Exactly.
So guys, if you caught that, this is like sliding door in the middle. This is all outdoor space here. Outdoor pool. This is unreal. Have a look at guys how they finish this up too. It's pretty cool. This is how they skim coat these walls. He's not skimming, sorry. He's just building it up. So they're going to be framing on the outside of that. They're going to build that up. But have a look at that. This is what I would like to say, getting shit done. That's what Bonita Golf, Bonita Beach, these guys are good at. By the way, I have a one-story, a villa available at Bonita Beach, right on the natural beach. Have a look at this. So now we're into the apartment.
How much for something like this? Sorry? How much for something like this? 2.4 million.
We're inside the apartment now?
This is the master suite.
This is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
From here to there.
No, up to there. Because you have the second and the third.
I see, the rooms are right here. So here's the stretch of So these are the bedrooms all the way through? These are the bedrooms. You got 3 bedrooms right here. 1, 2, and 3. Look at those views. Sorry.
You have the kitchen area, dining, living room, and you have slide doors on like this. Okay. These. So in the front, you can do like a barbecue area with an island. Okay, this is outdoor, but it's half covered. So this thing, the terrace goes up to here, covered. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Then you have this big pool, okay? And all of this is like an L terrace, like a wraparound terrace. You look into the back. So here, over there was the master suite with an outdoor terrace and an outdoor bathroom as well. and now we might be here because you have 4 rooms here,
4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
This is amazing. What a beautiful, this is a 4-bedroom apartment right here. 4-bedroom penthouse. 8,300 square feet. Huge. Yeah, they get these walls done. This is how it's done. Have a look. There you go, guys. Coming to you from high above here, Cap Cana, showing you a beautiful best unit here in Bonita Beach. Send me a WhatsApp, 15195 717 855.